Alright guys, we're back again after getting all the Fairlane parts in. Gonna hopefully put this motor together. I've got my friends here, Josh. I got Garrett and Marty over here. They just stopped by on their bikes. Me and Josh are gonna put the motor together. We've got all the parts we need, hopefully. I've got the main studs and all the pistons ready. So going into the 289 today is gonna be the stroker crank, stroked that to a 357. Finally got all the parts in from Jag, the oil pan, main studs, all the bearings, head gaskets. Got the 268 cam going in, new water pump, and all the oversized pistons. So hopefully Josh will be helping me put all this together tonight, or at least the bottom end. So we'll just throw this into a time lapse and see how it goes. So, back again, different shirt, nobody's in the garage with me this time. I realized while I was looking at the videos on the computer that my microphone got unplugged, so a lot of footage got lost, or at least a lot of sound for that footage got lost. But what was missed wasn't too much. All we did was get the crankshaft, main caps, and the main studs put back together, and got all the rings gapped and put on the pistons. So those will all be ready to throw in probably tomorrow or the day after that. Buddy Andre stopped by in his GTR, tried to figure out how to ride the motorcycles again. So I'll probably throw in some clips of that without the sound because microphone got unplugged. But figured give a little update just because my mistake caused the audio to all go away. So that'll all be ready to go back together pretty soon here. What's up guys? Gonna be working on the motor again today. We left off last time. I just finished gapping all the rings with Josh and everything and got them all put onto the pistons. So the plan today is gonna try and knock some of these pistons into the block over here and see if I can get that to gap out correctly with the bearings and everything. Pretty much the process going on with this is I'm gonna be putting oil on the rings. Just bought a ring compressor today because my old ring compressor was too tiny for these pistons. And then we'll just be driving these pistons in. Probably gonna start on the first bank here, going 1 through 4 first, and then using the plastic gauge to check the clearances with the bearings, make sure I don't have any issues with that down the road. And hopefully we'll get a little bit farther than just putting the pistons in, but this will be a good start. Hopefully this motor will be in next week, as long as I can get all the other auxiliary things going, like my transmission cooler lines, and hopefully I can clean up the transmission a little bit and then get the block painted. I'll start on this and see how it goes. Alright, so pretty much the process here is just put some oil around the rings so that they're a little bit pre-lubed before they go in. Got the ring compressor set all around the piston and rings and tighten it down, and then with the wood end, the handle of the mallet. Just tap the rod into place and then guide the connecting rod down to the crankshaft. And that is the first piston in. So as I was putting the ring compressor on, I was making sure that the first and second compression rings were still 180 degrees apart as was going in. So that's pretty much the first piston in. It's going to be the same process for the next 7. Pretty sure it's not going to be too enjoyable to watch real time, so I'll probably just throw that into a time lapse or something, and then see how far we can get. Alright, what's up guys? A little bit hot in the garage after working on all this. After probably about an hour and a half, got all the pistons in the motor, spins freely and everything. And I only gapped the first 2 cylinders because I ran out of plastic gauges. But I am hoping that all of them are around 20 thousandths, 15 thousandths. So, next big step that we gotta accomplish here is putting the oil pump in, and then hopefully throwing the oil pan on. And I'll have to see where we go from there, maybe putting the camshaft in, the lifters, push rods, all that. And then hopefully head gaskets, and most of the motor will be together. I still have to clean up the timing chain cover. Still the original one from the motor, it's a little beat up and greasy. So I'm gonna have to spend some time cleaning that and put the new front main in there. But that should be all for tonight. This is a big step forward, getting all the pistons in. Really need to get a fan for the garage because it is super hot in here. I'm sweating my ass off. And then I just realized I also have to find my keyway. I'm not too sure where I put that, if it would focus. But that should be a good night for tonight. I will work on the motor again tomorrow probably. Gonna go grab some food right now.